all the cold, now the warm, add to it the rain, and the ground is starting to thaw a little bit, but it's not thawing fast enough. And so the issue is a lot of the rain that we've got is just running off. You add to that snow melt and add to that the sheer amount of rain that we've had, and you get the similar problems that we're dealing with here with all the flooding concerns. I've got a 54-degree temperature, a little colder out to the west from Terry Coletta. He's also reporting a little bit of fog. He's had about an inch of rain, he says. Fog is drifting in and out, and it is just kind of gloomy. You head farther east, you got temperatures in the 60s. Nancy Addy coming in LaPorte at 61 degrees, showing us someone who might actually be enjoying all this rain, but you can still see there is still some snow and a little bit of ice out there too. That stuff melting though, because temperature-wise, we're up into the 60s and have been through the overnight. Very cloudy, still anticipating rain throughout the course of the day. Here's what's happened. We've got the jet stream taking a trip way far on off to the north up into Canada. That allows for that nice mild air to settle in around here, but it also helps us tap into the Gulf Stream moisture, and that's essentially pulling in Gulf moisture into Chicagoland, mixing with that system that's coming on through. And so we've got that flood watch and several flood warnings up now. Waves of rain expected. Still looking for totals of 1 to 4 inches, and could find isolated totals a little bit higher than that. Right now we're getting a little bit of a lull in the activity. You can see the bit of a break that we've got right now, but take a peek to the west. Here's another line of some showers and even a few storms in the mix, all benign, or what we call garden variety. They're not severe storms, but they could drop some heavy rain that we do not need. On the backside of this system, a little bit of freezing rain or wintry mix coming in as the colder air starts to filter in. So once the warmth and the rain goes away, we may see a brief wintry mix overnight tonight before it transitions over to just a dry day tomorrow. But look at this, all these colors of green. We've got the river flood warnings and concerns over areas like the Little Cal and Munster that Susanna Song showed you, but we also have urban and small stream flood warnings, which essentially is talking about the fact that there's a lot of ponding on city streets, on neighborhood streets, also with small streams, and we're going to continue to see moisture here at 3:30. We got that next round coming on through. That stuff still moving on off to the east a little bit by then, but we still have some moisture at 7:30 tonight. Then at about 1 a.m. we start to see just a little bit of that wintry mix. It's clearing on off to the east by the morning commute, and things improving from that point forward. But again, sum total of 3 to 4 inches in the highest, our hardest hit areas, the highest rainfall totals, and that's going to be coming in across parts of northwest Indiana and down to the south of the city. Temperatures, though, this is incredible. It is 66 degrees at Gary today right now, but it's 44 in McHenry, so you can clearly see where that warm front is located because temperatures are colder behind it. Still very mild for this time of the year, but we're talking about settling in just in the 60s today. They may break records down to the south across areas like Virginia and Tennessee today, but they're also dealing with that Gulf moisture, so unfortunately this time of the year, a lot of the days you get warmth, you also get the rain.
Right. Okay, thanks, Megan.
Yep.